Good morning, everyone. It's 10:52 a.m. Eastern Time, April 29th, 2025, and this market a little crazy, little crazy. Go ahead and set this up a little bit here. I'll shut that one off. Don't need it. See what we got here. I'm on a 5-minute chart today. Trading the MES, which is the micro S&P 500. I'm tracking volume and delta. Looking at the volume profile, green line right down here is a 9 EMA. The blue line below, the blue line is the VWAP. I don't trade off the EMAs or the VWAP. I trade order flow, pretty much volume. That's how I trade. But I want to be aware of the levels because other traders trade them. Institutional order flow, they'll also use the VWAP as well. I look for about 4 or 5 strategies. I'll point them out as I see them. I trade with a 10 tick stop with a 20 tick target. I'll never move my stop. I'll move it to reduce risk, but never to add risk. Got some buying imbalances. Looking at significant levels, which would be this one right up here. See if we could get back up here or somewhere near the ledge. There were some selling imbalances here, meaning sellers were aggressive, more aggressive than buyers up here. I have hotkeys enabled. I'm going to take a short right here. See within this ledge. If we get right back into the value, and let's also set my target up here. Yeah, so it's they're absorbing. You see that this price can't go up, got a little higher here. That's okay. But they were absorbing right inside here, big money. So it's either going to break, either the buyers are going to win or the sellers going to win. If the sellers win, it's probably going to take it down to a level about here, or maybe it could probably retrace this whole candle. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. If it breaks out, we're no longer valid. POC didn't move up any higher. So we're going to see if we got any buying imbalances with less sellers in here. Oh, but sellers are still back at that area again. They're accumulating more. So we'll see. Bunch of buyers and sellers in here. You got a huge delta, big candle. So they're accumulating. Back down at my level here. It looks good to me here. Not going to move my stop. If I stop out, we get back in. Got a nice ledge right here. Get half to my target. I'll go to break even, and then we'll manage it. We still got buyers and sellers here. They're absorbing a lot of, and we got a lot of positive delta. POC did not move. We got some selling imbalances now. I think we're going to flush. So I took a full loss there. See what else we got. There are a bunch of buyers now coming in. We're losing the delta. We're not making much gains, but they're accumulating. Pretty significant level right here, where the POC just ended up with the highest candle. POC moved down. We're losing the delta. Still positive, but it's coming down pretty good. So we're not in this trade yet. We can't go above here. We're gonna come back down. 950 on the delta, 950 on the delta, 960. We're really not getting anywhere. We're just absorbing. I'm gonna move right down here. There's some sellers come in. We're losing the delta, which is good for me. If they get past this POC, we'll get another a bunch of sellers coming. Go one tick below. See a 2-point move. It's gonna go either way, right? Go one for one here. I'm gonna run it right here. One tick below this POC. I think we'll be okay. We're losing the delta here. Again, there's just a lot of buying and selling in here. Got a little, we're gonna be able to, probably gonna build this area up in here. I see a lot of volume building up inside here. A lot of sellers, a lot of buyers. So it could go either way actually, but I'm thinking more toward your, toward the short here. Yeah. All right, so we're at break even right now for the day. They're not even holding these value areas. A bunch of seller imbalances here. Got an engulfing candle with 35 seconds left. Got a 5-minute candle here. So we'll see how this candle closes. We're above the VWAP. We'll see if we can close this gap between the low of the candle to the moving average, a 9 EMA. We got 8 seconds left of this candle. Huge amount of negative delta right now. I got to work better on my timing with this market. This market is crazy. Every market is, it's different. It's got to sit down and look at the price action, and kind of look at what we have. We have a low, we have a high low, high high. We complete the gap, so we're going up. But when you're scalping, you could go in between the candle. Well, if you got a decent amount of candle, 2, 3 points, you could scalp inside. You got a lot of sellers inside here, right? Then you kind of take a look at what was behind it. Was there a lot of volume in the buyers? Not really. All right, so we get a double bottom on this candle. All right, we're able to pull through it. You see here, sellers are trapped. So I'm gonna go bullish here. I'm gonna go long. Sellers are trapped right there. All these sellers are trapped. We move to break even. Got some selling imbalances. Well, you got some positive delta coming in. All these sellers are getting whacked. We're just gonna take a win here, hopefully. All right, we did. All right, that was good. That was 2.5 points. Yeah, 2.5 points there. What do we got here? 15 minutes on this recording. So I'm going to shut this recording and I'll start another one. This is part 1.